Welcome back. A recent study shows chemical hair straightening is linked to uterine cancer and also says black women are at a higher risk due to more frequent use.
Jatira Marsh has been following up on this study by speaking with local experts about those cases and what is being done locally.
We have seen a rise in gynecologic cancers in general in women, and black women typically have poorer outcomes.
In a study led by the National Institute of Health Sciences, roughly 33,000 U.S. women between the ages of 35 and 74 participated in an 11-year study. 378 uterine cancer cases were found. Uterine cancer accounts for 3% of all new cancer cases, but it is the most common cancer of the female reproductive system, with 65,950 estimated new cases in the year 2022. Studies have shown that rates of uterine cancer have been rising in the United States, particularly among black women. Professor of Environmental Medicine at the University of Rochester Medical Center, Katrina Korfmacher, says some of the problem stems from lack of knowledge in labeling.
We often don't know what is in the chemicals that we're using. So companies aren't required to label products, and if they do, they're often labeled in confusing ways, and people don't understand what the things that are in their products are or what they could do to them.
Executive Director of the Breast Cancer Coalition in Rochester, Holly Anderson, says at the local level, she, along with many others, are actively working to change that.
We at the Breast Cancer Coalition are working very hard on what's called the safe cosmetics and personal care products at New York State level. We've made a lot of progress in the Assembly, a little less progress in the Senate, but we're working really hard on this legislation that would educate women and require manufacturers to actually label the product with what the chemicals of concern are.
Anderson says she is also in a focus group of women who are having these discussions on what could be done in the community to keep women heard and safe. And if you're interested in staying in the know about what's harmful to women in your community, she suggests joining focus groups. You can do so by contacting her directly at holly@breastcancercoalition.org. In Rochester, Jatira Marsh, News 8.
All right, Jatira, thank you. If you are interested in learning more, you can visit our website at rochesterfirst.com.